Hey guys, it's me Rachel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a squishy that is not like this. Yeah, this one's really hard. I'm going to show you how to make them like this, nice and soft and slow rising. If you haven't watched my paper squishy collection video, that was the last video I just did, you guys need to go and check it out. Pause this video, go and check it out, then come back and watch this video, or you can watch it after this video. So, let's get on with this video. The things you guys will need are a plastic bag, some scissors, some tape, any tape. I'm just using this masking tape. You can use duct tape, sellotape, any tape. And I'm using a pen. Most likely, sometimes I use these pens. These pens I use on this one. On this one. But it kind of comes off onto your fingers when you push it after a while. So that's kind of annoying. So I don't like that happening. That's why I use a black pen. So I'm just using this black dry erase pen. These pens are washable ones, but I'm not using them. I'm using a dry erase. And also you can use one of these pens as well. So I'm using both of these. And yeah, I am also going to be using these squishies at the end just to compare which one is the squishiest. So, and if you're at my school on Monday, I will be bringing these 3 squishies. And maybe if the one I'm about to make is better than one of these, I'll take one of them out and use the new one. So let's get started. So we're going to start off with our masking tape actually. Or any tape, whatever you use. Yours will be nicely patterned if you use like a patterned tape. But I'm not using patterned tape. I'm probably going to cut about... Doesn't matter if it curls up like that. You can just uncurl it. And you want to make the sticky side face up. Make sure the sticky side is facing up. And you want to place something at the end so they won't roll up. So I'm just using my tape here and my scissors to hold it to the end. I'm going to take my bag and just crunch it up. The more you crunch it, the more you roll up, the more slow rising your squishy will be. And then you want to take one side off and push it down really hard. When you fold the tape over, you want to push it down really hard, and then it will be really nice and slow rising. And when you fold the tape over, you want to make sure you're folding over it a lot. So this is what we have so far. This looks like a burrito. We're going to squish it so it's all like in a nice area. Okay. Then we're going to do the same again. But this time not with the middle, because we did the middle. We're going to do the sides. And it keeps on curling up. Okay, the sticky side facing up. You want to have things at the corners, like I am. So yeah, I just said when I just did the last bit of tape, but I'm using my scissors and the tape. Then we're going to take and then just fold. You need to push down really tight when you fold it over. Okay, and then take them off. And once you fold it over, you want to squish it so that it gets in a nice consistency type thing. This is going to be quite a small one. Right, I don't think this one's going to turn out as good as the other ones because it has this. But, oh well. Doesn't matter if it turns out wrong because there's always a way to fix it at the end. And I'll show you how to fix it. especially with these pokey outy bits. I mean, you might make it something that needs the pokey outy bits for its shape. You never know. It all depends on what you're making with the shape that you end up with. But I don't do it like that. Okay, so I'm going to take this. Use this side first this time. And just fold this over. And then this one, I'm just going to fold this over. And then squish it, squish it, squish it, squish it. Okay, now I have my little bump here. I don't want that, so what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to fold this in and just take a little bit of tape. Be careful when you're cutting.